Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on my brother. My brother's name is Raj. He is kind and fun to be with. Raj loves playing outdoor games like football. He always helps me with my homework. He is very good at drawing and painting. Raj enjoys watching cartoons and playing video games. He shares his toys with me and we have a great time together. He is very caring and looks after me when I am sad. Raj works hard in school and gets good grades. I am lucky to have Raj as my brother and I love him a lot. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.